Hey everyone, you're standing at the precipice of a financial mountain, the vast landscape of the market spread out before you. You have the tools, the knowledge, and the ambition, but you're still missing one crucial piece, the right platform. Today, we're going to dive deep into Newton, a platform that's been making waves in the trading community. But is it truly the trading platform you've been searching for? Section 1. What is Newton? Newton isn't just another trading platform, it's a financial ecosystem. It's designed to provide a seamless experience for both beginners and seasoned traders. Let's break down the key features. User-friendly interface. Newton's interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, even for those new to trading. It doesn't overwhelm you with jargon or complex charts. Wide range of assets, from cryptocurrencies to stocks and ETFs, Newton offers a diverse selection of assets to invest in. Advanced trading tools. For those who prefer a more hands-on approach, Newton provides a range of advanced trading tools, including charting capabilities and order types. Security and compliance. Your financial security is a top priority. Newton employs robust security measures to protect your funds and adheres to strict regulatory standards. Section 2. Newton versus traditional brokerages. So, how does Newton compare to traditional brokerages? Let's take a look. Fees. Newton often offers lower fees compared to traditional brokerages, especially for cryptocurrency trading. Accessibility. Newton is accessible from anywhere in the world, as long as you have an internet connection. This is a major advantage over traditional brokerages, which may have limited geographic reach. Innovation. Newton is at the forefront of financial innovation, constantly introducing new features and services to enhance the trading experience. Section 3. Is Newton right for you? Now that we've explored the key features and benefits of Newton, let's consider whether it's the right platform for you. Beginner traders. If you're new to trading, Newton's user-friendly interface and educational resources make it an excellent choice. Experienced traders. Newton's advanced trading tools and wide range of assets can cater to the needs of experienced traders. Cryptocurrency investors. Newton is a popular choice for those looking to invest in cryptocurrencies due to its low fees and diverse selection of coins. Section 4. Real-world examples. To get a better understanding of Newton's capabilities, let's explore some real-world examples of how it can be used. Day trading. Newton's advanced charting tools and fast order execution make it suitable for day trading. Long-term investing. Newton's low fees and diverse asset selection make it a good option for long-term investing. Cryptocurrency trading. Newton's focus on cryptocurrencies and its support for various coins make it a popular choice for cryptocurrency traders. Section 5. Conclusion. So, is Newton a trading platform? The answer is a resounding yes. It's a versatile platform that can cater to the needs of traders at all levels. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, Newton offers a user-friendly interface, advanced trading tools, and a wide range of assets. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.